CarStory research indicates this vehicle as rare to see this model for sale in your area. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, adaptive cruise control, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.